Hey, this is Cheryl Traxler. I'm on my back deck. I have a luscious green background behind me tonight on my deck. The beautiful blue sky. And I work from home. I like to tell you about how I earn consistently every day, actually, and how, when you join a program, you have a sponsor, and then, hopefully they're a good sponsor. Hopefully they'll answer your questions, get back with you, help you out. Well, with our idea, our design, we have a mastermind group. Now that is so much better than just having a sponsor, because with our mastermind group, you have a team you work along with. You have questions, you get them answered. You have actual people that are doing it and making good money. So you're not wondering, well, is this a good program or not? It is proven to be good. And you have the support, and you're not alone. You have that encouragement and that help, and it makes a huge difference. It's a big difference. With our mastermind, we help you earn income every day. We help you earn multiple income streams, and we help you learn how to do that, what to do every day. People that get online, they have different programs. They struggle with what to do every day. They struggle with what to do that makes it count, that's going to make a difference. And as a mastermind group that we have, you don't have to worry about that struggle. You know what to do every day. You're led by the hand and shown exactly. A little breezy out. It's a wonderful evening here in Alaska. And there's one reason I love to be able to work from home, to make money daily, to have multiple income streams. It is a blessing to be able to do this. I have actually 7 grandkids and 2 kids, and the freedom, the time freedom to be home all the time and to go when I want to, just to pick up and take off. And it's such a blessing. So I invite you to join our mastermind. If you're wondering what to do, you don't want to be alone, you don't want to hope you get a good sponsor, which in reality a good sponsor doesn't necessarily mean they're going to really help you much. But with our mastermind, you will get all the help you need. You will be in a thriving community of people that are working towards exactly what you want, and a better future, and a lifestyle that you control. And so I just invite you to join us. You can go to successwithshare.com and get more information on our mastermind. But it is amazing. It is the first time. I've been working online for many years. It's the first time I've been in a group so incredibly helpful and, holds your hand kind of thing. They're there online every day, and they help you, they teach you. They have groups that you can go in and find all the teachings and everything, and it's just exactly what I would want to learn what to do and to be successful. So check it out. And I also going to go into my back office real quick to show you about me making money online every day, because I do it every day, and every day I make money. So it's pretty incredible. So stay tuned. I'll see you in my back office. Jill Traxler here again. Welcome to my back office. There is my name, and I want you to see the dates. We'll start at the dates, and you can see every single day here I am earning. Every day, here's the amounts I'm earning. It varies a bit, can go up really good. Well, the longer you have it, here is the dates, times. They'll show you the money's been spent, or it's processing, or it's new. And then here are my deposit accounts right here to show you that I'm earning consistently online, and you can do the same. This shows you how you can make money to fund other programs and build a very good income doing this. So thanks for watching, and appreciate it. Go to my link below and get more info, and like my YouTube channel, subscribe. Thanks.